This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Friday, November 30th. I'm Keaton Brown. Maury is buzzing with excitement as the Commodores prepare for the state semifinal game, but we're transitioning into the winter sports season. On Monday, the 6th-ranked Commodore basketball team defeated Wilson in the Eastern District Kickoff Tournament. They followed up Monday's win with an exciting 83-76 victory over Granby, currently ranked 3rd in Hampton Roads. Yesterday, the Scholastic Bowl team scored an impressive win over Granby and Wilson. Now here's Marche Bird in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Keaton. Tonight, the boys basketball team battles Booker T for the Eastern District kickoff title. The game will be played at Norby and it begins at 7 p.m. Tomorrow is what everyone is waiting for. The Commodore football team takes on the 3-time defending state champion Highland Springers. The game is 2 at Maury High School in Henrico Academy. Maury is sponsoring a student bus for $15. You get your game ticket and a ride to the game. Tickets are on sale in the main office. Let's pack the bus. I'll be there with the cheering team, and I hope to see you at the game. Back to you, Keaton.
Thanks, Marche. Now here's what's happening at MHS. That's a wrap for this Commodore News Update. I'm Keaton Brown. Have a great weekend and go Commodores!
This has been a Commodore News Update.